Hello. These are videos for people who are having problems with their appliances, whether it be dishwasher, washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator. And I look at these posts. I read the comments in the post, and this is to help you find the problem with your appliance. So DIYers are welcome. Appliance techs are welcome to help out with a problem. I show videos and photos, sometimes videos, sometimes just photos. Let's get started. And here's the post. Washing machine has started making a wiring noise all through the cycle. It's a hot point WMASAEX 1214. Anyone know what it could be? Not much play on the drum, so don't think it's the bearings or a spider, but could be wrong. I'm pretty confident with the repair, just not sure of the diagnosis part. Cheers in advance. And here's the video. And here are the comments. Sean says, thanks for your post. Since this is a UK model, the technical information available is pretty limited, but based on the noise, it sounds like it could be motor related. One quick check you can do is to rotate the spin basket by hand. When you do that, do you hear or feel any abnormal noises like grinding, scraping, or resistance? Thanks for the reply. Other sites I've asked on seem to be heavy spam pages slash based overseas. It seems to spin pretty freely, bit of noise, but nothing that sounds horrible. Also, no play up and down, just the usual front to back movement. Sean also says that tub bearing is screwed up. Okay, Joshua says, well, that sucks. The motor seemed like a much nicer fix. Sean also says the bearings have failed in this unit. It might be possible to find the bearings separately, but it would be more likely that the rear tub would need to be replaced to fix the bearings. Joshua says those GE motors love to have bearings noise. Jerry says if it's not the rear spider, then you're looking at a motor, I'd say. Jason says bearings or motor windings. And there go your comments for this appliance. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.